Ahoy, mateys! Are they ready to embark on a swashbuckling adventure and discover buried treasure? Well, shiver me timbers. We be offering thee the chance to do just that with our DIY pirate treasure maps. These be no ordinary treasure maps. Mind thee, they be filled with twists, turns, and surprises that'll test the skills and wit of even the most seasoned pirate. So gather round, the landlubbers, and let us tell thee all about it. First off, let's talk about what makes our DIY pirate treasure maps so special. Unlike those mass-produced treasure maps you can find in the bottom of the bargain bin at the mall, ours be custom-made for each and every customer. That's right. When they order one of our treasure maps, we sit down and hand-draw it specifically for each map be a unique work of art, just like a real pirate treasure map should be. We use only the finest materials, too. Our maps be printed on high-quality watercolor paper, which gives them a look that's both aged and authentic. The inks we use be specially chosen to match the style of old pirate maps, and the colors be so vibrant ye'll feel like to be exploring the Caribbean yourself. But our DIY pirate treasure maps aren't just beautiful works of art. They're also packed with fun and adventure. Each map is designed to lead the holder to a buried treasure chest, but getting there won't be easy. Along the way, they'll have to solve puzzles, riddles, and challenges that test their knowledge of pirates and the sea. There'll be fake dead ends, secret passages, and maybe even a few booby traps to keep things interesting. And when they finally reach the buried treasure, what will they find inside? Well, that's up to you, matey. We'll work with you to customize the contents of the treasure chest, so that it is filled with booty that is perfect for your occasion. Whether it's candy, jewelry, or even doubloons, we'll make sure that the treasure chest be a fitting reward for any pirate who can follow the map to its end. Now let's talk about the occasions that our DIY pirate treasure maps are perfect for. Well, for starters, they make an excellent addition to any pirate-themed party. Just imagine the look on your guests' faces when they see a treasure map leading to a chest full of goodies. It'll be the talk of the town for weeks to come. But our maps aren't just for parties. They're also a great way to add some excitement to a birthday celebration. A child's birthday party can be made even more special with a treasure map that leads to a hidden treasure chest filled with toys, games, and other fun stuff. It'll be an adventure that they'll never forget. And don't forget about family reunions, corporate events, and other large gatherings. Our DIY pirate treasure maps can be customized to include everyone and lead to a shared treasure that everyone can enjoy together. It's a great way to make memories that will last a lifetime. Or perhaps you're planning a pirate-themed wedding. Well, why not give your guests a treasure map as a favor that they can keep as a reminder of your special day? It's a unique and thoughtful gift that will be appreciated by all. But if you're not planning an event, that's no problem either. Our DIY pirate treasure maps are perfect for anyone who wants to add a little bit of adventure to their life. Imagine waking up in the morning and finding a treasure map under your pillow that leads to a breakfast in bed fit for a king or queen. Or maybe you want to hide a treasure map around your house for your significant other to find. It's a fun and romantic way to spice up your relationship and create a lasting memory together. So now that you know all about our amazing DIY pirate treasure maps, let's talk about how to order one for yourself. As we mentioned before, each map is custom-made and hand-drawn specifically for the customer. That means that we put a lot of love and care into every single one of our maps, and it shows. The detail and craftsmanship of our maps is what sets us apart from the competition. When they order from us, it can be sure that you're getting a one-of-a-kind treasure map that will impress your guests and create lasting memories. The process is simple. Just contact us with the details of the map that you desire, and we'll get to work. Tell us the occasion, the age of the participants, and any other relevant information, and we'll design a map that's perfect for your needs. We'll send thee a proof of the map before we print it, so that thee can make any necessary changes. Once we have your final approval, we'll get to work on creating the physical map. And once it's finished, we'll ship it directly to you, ready to be enjoyed by all. Now we know that no two customers are alike, which is why we offer a variety of customization options for our DIY pirate treasure maps. For starters, we can tailor the map to a specific location, such as your home, garden, or a local park. This is perfect for families who want to create a backyard treasure hunt for their children or for couples who want to hide a treasure map around their home for each other to find. We can also customize the map to include specific challenges, puzzles, and riddles that are appropriate for the age of the participants. Whether it's a map for a 5-year-old or a 50-year-old, we can tailor the difficulty level to make sure that everyone has fun. And of course, we can customize the treasure chest and its contents to fit the occasion. Whether it's a birthday party, a family reunion, or a wedding, we'll make sure that the treasure chest is filled with goodies that everyone will enjoy. If they have any special requests or ideas, just let us know and we'll do our best to accommodate you. We love working with our customers to create truly unique and memorable experiences. Now we know that there are a lot of different companies out there offering treasure maps, but none of them can compare to the quality and craftsmanship of our DIY pirate treasure maps. We are a small team of artists and designers who are passionate about what we do, and it shows in our work. We take pride in our ability to create one-of-a-kind maps that are not only beautiful works of art, but also fun and engaging for all ages. If you're looking for a company that puts a lot of love and care into their products and provides excellent customer service, then look no further than us. We're here to help you create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and let us help you unleash your imagination with our amazing DIY pirate treasure maps. Whether you're replanning an event or just looking to add a little bit of adventure to your life, we have the perfect treasure map for you. Don't settle for mass-produced, low-quality treasure maps. Choose a company that's passionate about what they do and takes pride in their work. Choose us. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to work with you soon to create a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Fair winds and following seas, me hearties.